So you should place the mouse cursor such that only the background of the second image is highlighted. So ideally place the mouse cursor in this gap between the first and the second image and click capture HTML, apply regex, select the second one, apply and capture image. Now Instagram currently displays only a single page of images for the search. So if you want to scrape images for multiple keywords, so this corresponds to the travel tag, but I can go to configuration and keywords and add multiple tags here. The only condition is that the first the keyword which you enter should match the one in the URL loaded. So you should provide travel as the first keyword, and then you can provide other keywords like etc. and click OK. Now stop configuration and start mining. Before that, we can go to settings and go to category keyword and enable this option. So all the travel photos have come up here. And then it has scraped the images for the second keyword. And so on.